Okay, we're going to do a little bit of training on the Numatic HFM that you've purchased, just to make life a little bit easier. Firstly, we're going to start with the pad drive, which you should have in a smallish box. Essentially putting this on, there's three little inserts, and you'll see the same thing on the machine. So basically clip that in place, turn, and then it's going to be fastened in. After that, grab your pad, make sure it's on straight so that it doesn't wobble around when the machine's functioning. So put it on and it sticks essentially like Velcro. Then get your machine upright. You'll see there's a lever here. This is basically a rotational up and down lever. When functioning the machine, you want it to be at waist height all the time. Any higher and the machine's gonna shoot off. It's got a safety mechanism where it won't start when the machine's all the way up. So have it at waist height, and then you'll see there's two handlebars here. These handlebars are used, you have to hold both of them in to start. And in order to start, there's a little yellow button. To get the machine to go, hold both of them in and just clip the yellow key. To keep the machine on an even plane, you want it to be level. So always keep the machine level. If the machine's too high, it's going to shoot out to the right. Too low, it's going to go left. So keep it there. It should be straightforward, just using two fingers. You shouldn't have too much strain. To move the machine, essentially lift the handlebar up slightly and it's going to go right, down a little bit, and it's going to go left. Sometimes it's easier when you're first getting started, have two people putting a foot on each side just so you can get an idea of where you want your feet to be, where even is. And then from there, apply your liquid. Up will take it right, down will take it left. With the solution tank, you'll see that there's some holes up here. Just slide the solution tank in the bottom of the solution tank into that groove. The top, you'll have a little nut and bolt. Just screw it into the corresponding hole, and then essentially you take from the bottom, you put the hose into the solution tank, and the other one will go down into the hole. Up on the side, there's a little handle that'll apply the water, so as and when you need the water, press it. Other than that, when you're storing the machine, just make sure that this gets taken off so it doesn't flatten on the one side. That's basically how you use the HFM.